Cranes of all types, hoisting and handling equipment, mining equipment including more than 7,000 proprietary items and spare parts, equipment for the chemical and petrochemical industries, power plants equipment, design and engineering, implementation of all types of projects for the heavy industry and infrastructure, industrial software, environmental concern. All this corresponding to the highest quality standards and requirements is provided by Besttechnica TM Radomir PAD and Besttechnica Struma AD, the two enterprises combined in the biggest machine producing company on the Balkans. Besttechnica is a private liability limited company specialized in the heavy industry equipment manufacturing and industrial engineering. Besttechnica was established in 1991 and relies on more than 100 years of experience and traditions in the field of heavy investment industries. The beginning roots back more than a century when Struma Pernik starts its existence as a small workshop specialized in spare parts for the local coal mines. In 1976, the Bulgarian government started the construction of the biggest machine-producing enterprise at the town of Radomir, about 45 kilometers south of the capital of Bulgaria, Sofia city. The best Bulgarian engineers have been employed. The highest quality modern equipment had been bought. Computers have been installed and implemented. Shortly after the completion of the first workshops, the enterprise practically proved its uniqueness and started to build itself. 10 years later, the enterprise is completed. Cranes of all types, hoisting and handling equipment, hydraulic gates, industrial fans, equipment of nuclear heat and water power plants, environmental concern equipment, have been introduced and manufactured for all heavy investment industries, defense industry and infrastructure. The enterprise rapidly wins its market share within the former CMEA. Most of the production supplied, for example, these cranes, is still working today. Design the biggest possible equipment and put your production order, including your manufacturing and quality requirements. Besttechnica TM Radomir is the exact location where your ideas will be turned into reality, answering to the highest levels of quality standards and the most competitive price. Besttechnica TM Radomir is unique in all the aspects. The three main production workshops spread across area which is about 14 soccer fields. The shops are equipped with different types of cranes with loading capacity of 160 tons, allowing the smooth lifting and transfer of the heaviest products. The use of the top quality input materials is obligatory for the production, hence reaching the required top standards of the final products. The CNC and highly productive machines perform gas, plasma and mechanical cutting of the materials, which thickness up to 500 mm. Bending machines, specialized welding columns, automatic welding machines provide the opportunity of producing enormous heavy steel structures. The enterprise's dignity is that unique machine center specialized in processing huge machine parts. This CNC ladder can handle heavy steel structures with length of 18 meters and weight up to 300 tons. The processing CNC center Shees Frorip, of which only 4 others has been produced in the world, and the biggest one is located in Radomir, can process steel components with up to 20 meters of diameter and 10 meters height. All kinds of operations like turning, grinding, milling, gear hobbing and gear cutting are applied to the processing parts. For the proper and quality performance, a team of highly specialized professionals take care. Shipping of the final products, machines and components to the customers is forwarded to a complex process of quality control testing. The expedition of the finished products, most of them are oversized, is handled by a team of skilled employers. Their experiences guarantee the proper loading and adequate fastening of the shipments. The other Besttechnica's factory, Besttechnica Struma AD, is the founder of all other machine-building factories in Bulgaria. With more than a century experience, the factory won its fame as the leader in the machine-producing industry and equipment for mining, mine processing and screening, foundry and ceramic industries. The factory offers wide range of crushers covering the latest quality standards and requirements. The production list is accomplished with transport lifting road construction and digging machines, belt conveyors and elevators, screening, washing and dehydrating machines, stones processing machines. The design and engineering of the machines allow their integration and automation and thus removal complete industrial systems. The quality of the goods supplied by Besttechnica Struma maintain its market shares in the European Union, CEE, CIC countries, North African and Latin America countries. When in 1998 Besttechnica became the major shareholder of the companies TM Radomir and Struma AD, it has combined the production facilities of the two factories, hence obtaining the opportunities of implement the most advanced engineering solutions. The marketing, trade and engineering departments are situated in the head office in Sofia. Applying the most updated software products, Besttechnica can design and produce in due time all your ideas replying to your needs. The quality control is guaranteed by the high qualification of the Besttechnica's engineers applying the CAD/CAM software, 3D modeling and stress analysis. Developing new products is not only subject to the customer's requirements, but also to the national and international standards like ISO 9001, DIN, AWE, ASME. Another two affiliated companies of Besttechnica provide industrial software. Thus, the industrial cycle is completed, offering not only the core product to the customers, but all related to its services and spare and wear parts too, covering not only the guarantee period, but the whole product's life cycle. The permanent ambitions of Besttechnica to continue its development is expressed in constant enlargement of the company product range. The experience gained in the passes now result in new products, like the straddle carrier applicable for handling, storing and transporting 20 or 40 feet containers with maximum weight of 30.5 tons and stacking them on 2 rows. New projects for wind generators and ferries flattering platforms are already in pre-production phase. Besttechnica is paying more and more attention to the environmental protection projects. The production of burning hospital waste incinerators is already installed. The equipment of FGD is in an advanced stage. Besttechnica can offer a wide range of biological shielding, airtight sluices and airtight galleries, hydraulic gates for spent nuclear fuel storage for nuclear power plants. Large production capacities, permanently improving quality control system, flexible production systems are the key assets of Besttechnica to best correspond to your needs. Practically, there are no obstacles for us to provide you with the best possible solution. This is most familiar to our permanent customers from more than 25 countries on the 5 continents. Here is a brief list of some of our customers for the last couple of years: Danieli, Heidelberger Cement, Holcim, Kalmar, Krupp, Liebherr, Nippon Steel Corporation, Noel Crane Systems, Potain, Solvay, Umicore, Voestalpine and many other foreign and domestic companies. More than 100 years of experience. Unique production equipment. Highly qualified personnel. Constantly improving quality control system guarantees that Besttechnica will always provide to its customers the easy solutions for heavy propositions.